All right, today I want to share something that could completely change the way you build and grow online communities. If you've ever dreamed of creating a learning platform that feels alive, engaging, and fun without spending months coding or hiring expensive developers, then stick with me. Because I'm going to show you how you can build a gamified learning community platform using a tool like GuruOS. Now, let's be real. Most online courses and communities fail not because the content isn't good, but because people lose interest. They sign up, watch a few lessons, and then disappear. Why? Because there's no excitement, no motivation, no reason to keep coming back. That's where gamification comes in. Imagine your students earning points for completing lessons, unlocking badges for hitting milestones, and climbing leaderboards that make learning feel like a game. Suddenly, education becomes addictive, in the best way possible. So how do you actually build this? That's where GuruOS makes things simple. Instead of juggling multiple apps, plugins, and platforms, GuruOS gives you an all-in-one operating system powered by AI agents. These agents don't just automate tasks, they actually learn your style, your brand, and your goals, then build everything for you. Here's how it works step by step. Step 1. Train the system. You upload your content, ideas, or even just links, and GuruOS instantly studies your voice and expertise. That way, everything created feels like you, not generic AI. Step 2. Build your courses. Course agents take your knowledge and turn it into structured modules, polished video lessons, ebooks, and even full memberships. You can drip-feed content, add resources, and preview everything before launch. It's like having a professional course design team working for you 24/7. Step 3. Launch your gamified community. This is where the magic happens. GuruOS lets you create dynamic communities where members earn points for completing lessons, commenting, or referring friends. They can unlock badges, compete on leaderboards, and even redeem rewards like coupons or bonuses. Instead of passive students, you get active participants who are motivated to keep learning and engaging. Step 4. Keep it alive automatically. One of the biggest challenges with communities is keeping them active. GuruOS solves this by letting AI agents schedule posts, respond to comments, and even create AI members to spark conversations. Your community stays buzzing, even when you're asleep. Step 5. Sell and scale. Of course, engagement is great, but you also want sales. GuruOS marketing agents write high-converting sales copy, design landing pages, and run traffic campaigns. Lead agents interact with visitors, capture emails, and even process payments right inside the chat. It's a complete funnel built into your community. Now, think about what this means for you. Instead of struggling to keep students motivated, you'll have a platform where learning feels like a game. Instead of wasting time managing multiple tools, you'll have one operating system that does it all. And instead of guessing what works, you'll follow a proven $20 million plus launch blueprint that's already created dozens of six-figure successes. Here's the best part. You don't need to be tech-savvy. Whether you're a coach, a course creator, or someone just starting out, GuruOS makes it easy. You can literally switch on the system, let the agents do the heavy lifting, and watch your gamified community grow. So, if you're ready to build a learning platform that keeps people hooked, drives engagement, and scales effortlessly, then it's time to check out GuruOS. Imagine turning your knowledge into a thriving community where students don't just learn, they play, compete, and stay motivated. That's the future of online education, and you can start building it today. Alright, that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more strategies on building profitable digital platforms, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of community you'd love to create. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.